It's almost Christmas time, so in today's video, I'm going to be giving you 9 affordable gift ideas for men. I was originally going to do 10 ideas, but I just forgot to purchase the last gift, so we're going to go with 9. But all of these gifts will be around $30 or less, and I'll leave links to every single gift that I talk about today in the description box below so you can access it for yourself. But let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first gift idea is this Dollar Shave Club starter kit. So the Dollar Shave Club, if you don't know, is a membership site where someone can subscribe and then continually get new kits sent to their house every month. But this is the starter kit, and in this you will receive this shaving cream, and then there's also the razor part, and then some cartridges to change out the razor. So this is just like a little starter kit, but I think this is a great gift idea for really anybody, especially if someone has been thinking about trying the Dollar Shave Club, or you've been thinking about giving someone this as a gift. Maybe this is a nice little introduction to the Dollar Shave Club and just trying out their products before they get a membership to see if they really want to do that. And they also have this like little coupon in here where if they choose to start a membership, then they can go on the site and then get a free gift. So this is just a cool, nice little product that I think would be a great idea for anybody. And the shave kit costs $20.35 on Amazon. The next gift idea is soap, but not just any soap. This is specialty soap from Dr. Squatch. So this one comes in a 3-pack, as you can see here. And this has 3 different scents. So it is crisp birchwood forest, barrel aged bourbon, and crisp forest waterfall. So this soap is pretty cool because it's made from natural oils, it's cold pressed, and it's dermatologist tested. And one thing I really like about this soap is it doesn't have a ton of ingredients. You know, a lot of soaps have ingredients that maybe you can't pronounce or you don't understand and you don't know what exactly it's doing to your body. But as you can see from this list right here, there aren't a whole ton of ingredients that go into the soap, which I kind of like and think is cool. So this soap also smells very good. As soon as I opened the box it came in, I could smell it immediately. It kind of smells like Axe. It smells like good cologne. But yeah, this is a great present, a great gift idea for anybody because who doesn't like smelling good? And on Amazon, this soap is $22.05. The next gift idea is something that I get my brothers every single year, and every single year they complain about it, but I think deep down they love it, and that is socks. So I always get my brothers socks because everybody needs socks and they're nice and warm and they're cozy, and even though they complain about it, they actually use them, so I know they appreciate it. But these socks are really thick hiking socks. So these are really good for winter time. Anybody who likes to be outdoors or maybe likes to ski or snowboard, something like that, and wants thick socks to protect their feet against the cold, these socks would be a great idea. So they're actually 3 pairs come in the package, and I really like them. I think they're good quality, they're long, they're really thick, so I do think they would keep someone very nice and warm. And for this set of 3, it was $16.99. And you can pair the socks with this next gift idea, which is house slippers. So these house slippers are very, very comfortable. It feels like they are memory foam. I'm not sure if they actually are, but they're very, very soft. They are also adjustable, if you can see from the top, so you can adjust them to fit narrower feet or wider feet, whatever feet size they have. I'm pretty sure they can fit here. The bottoms are hard, so it does say indoor and outdoor use, but I think I'm getting these for my dad, who really likes to wear indoor slippers. So the reviews on these were absolutely amazing. People were raving about them, saying how comfortable they are and that they last a long time. So I think this is something that my dad's really gonna love this year. And these slippers were $23.99. If you have men in your life who like to exercise, who like to be active, then I would highly recommend these next 2 gift ideas, starting with the first one, which is exercise shirts. So this is one of the 3 exercise shirts. So they came in a package of 3, and they are breathable. They're very light, and they feel really, really good. So this is a size large, and they seem pretty roomy, so take that into account when you're ordering. But I think this is a great idea for any guy who likes to exercise because they're just very light, and when you're exercising you don't want something like heavy or weighing you down, but this is very breathable and it had great reviews too. So, and it comes in a pack of 3, so you could give one person all 3 or separate it out to 3 different people if you like, however you want to do it. And these shirts cost $28.99. The next gift idea for men who like to exercise, or even this is like for men who like to relax and wear loungewear or comfy clothes at home. The next idea is joggers. So these are Under Armour joggers that I picked up on Amazon, and these ones are really, really nice. They have one back pocket, and then in the front there are 2 zippered pockets, one on each side, and these are very nice. They feel quality. I don't think that they would rip or tear easily. I think this is something that would have longevity, which is honestly, I love products that have longevity because I don't like rebuying stuff year over year, but these joggers seem like they would last for a while. And I believe they also have them in like tall sizes, so you can get a large tall, a medium tall, which is great if someone is taller, so that they will actually fit them properly. But these are great for just relaxing on the weekends, maybe working out, whatever. These are a great product to get. And these joggers were $33.99. Gift idea number 7 is a shirt. So this shirt is just a thick shirt. I think that this is good for, it says hardworking people, but it's pretty thick. It's not like, you know, thin material. This is pretty heavy, so I think this would be nice in the winter time for keeping someone warm, and it does have long sleeves. The one thing I will say about this shirt, and I think I'm gonna return this or exchange it, and the only reason why is that it's kind of large. It's a little bit larger than I thought it would be. So this is an extra large, but it is like very large, and I think that this is too big for the person I was intending to get it for. But it does say loose fit, so I think that's kind of on me for not seeing that or noticing that when I was ordering. But I am going to exchange this for a smaller size, but I do like it. I think it's pretty nice. It does have like this little front pocket here. And like I said, the material is pretty thick, pretty heavy, so I think it's great for the winter time. This shirt was $29.99. The next gift idea is a wallet, and this is a pretty standard basic wallet. It literally is just like, it's pretty thin as you can see here, but it does have a spot for an ID in the front, and then some cards, credit cards, debit cards in the back, and it does have like a space in here for some cash to carry around. So this wallet was a pretty good deal. It was only $7.99 on Amazon, and I really like the color. I think this is a nice color. Pretty like could blend in with anything, any type of outfit. And the good thing about this wallet is that it is RFID blocking. So this protects people from stealing card information just as they're like passing by you, which is really important because you want to keep your information secure, and this wallet will help you do that. So this is a great deal, especially for a product like this. The next gift idea is something that I actually have myself and I love, and it is a power bank. So I have this exact power bank and it works great. I think it's a great gift idea, especially for anybody you know who travels very often, because you like to have access to, you know, charge your phone in the airports and like not have to sit next to the power cable or the power outlet, and sometimes like those seats are taken first. So this is just a really great idea, and it comes with this little pouch here, which makes it just even more convenient to carry around, and it does come with a charger too. But I think this is a great idea for anyone who you know who is traveling often and would like to have access to easily charge their phones. And this power bank was $19.79 on Amazon. I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some ideas of things to get for the men in your life. And let me know in the comments below, do you think it's harder to shop for men or for women? Because honestly, I mostly struggle finding things for men, but for women, it's easy for me to get good gift ideas. So let me know your thoughts on that in the comments below. And also click the video on the screen for my video on gift ideas for women that are around $30 or less. Thanks for watching.